Good morning, children. In the last class, we read about the poem and we enjoyed reading it, right? So today, we will be discussing on exercise. So let us all take page number 17. So let's see the part A, exercise. We have to choose the correct answer to complete each sentence. So let's see the first one. To start with, there were dash cookies on the plate. So the options are a dozen, 11 and 2. So write the correct option and fill the statement. Okay, now let's see the next one. The poet dropped 2 cookies on the floor and then dash. The options for this are ate the ones that fell, put them back on the plate and ate all the cookies. So you can tick the correct answer. Third one, the poet decides that Santa doesn't like cookies, love cookies, shouldn't be eating cookies anyway. So which is the correct answer? Mark it. So I hope you have chosen the correct answer. Let's discuss the answer. To start with, there were a dozen cookies on the plate. Let's see the next one. The poet dropped 2 cookies on the floor and then ate the ones that fell. The poet decides that Santa shouldn't be eating cookies anyway. So I hope you all have corrected the correct option. Now let's move on to the next exercise, part B, that's answer these questions. Okay, so let's see the question answer. Now the first question, after baking the cookies, what did the poet do with them? So the answer would be, he put them on a plate, he ate one and set the rest out for Santa Claus. Now let's see the next question. Another couple disappeared. What do you think happened to them? The boy ate them. Here they have given a sentence from the poem, that is, all the damage had been done. Based on that, the question A is, what was the damage? The damage refers to the fact that the boy ate each and every cookie. Now let's see the next one. Who did the damage? The boy who baked the cookies did the damage. Okay? Now next, fourth one, again there is a sentence taken from the poem. I sure hope he likes the plate. Who is the poet talking about? So the answer would be, the poet is talking about the Santa Claus. Now let's see the next one. Why does the poet hope he likes the plate? He says that because the empty plate is all that's left for Santa and the boy had eaten all the cookies kept in the plate. So I hope you understood until here. So let's move on to the next question. In the end, what does Santa get for Christmas? In the end, all that Santa gets for Christmas is an empty plate without any cookies. Okay? So I hope you got the answers for the questions. Now let's move on to the part C, that's discussion. We have to discuss these questions, below questions. So let's see the first question. Do you think the poet really baked the cookies for Santa? What's the answer? The boy's mother probably baked them and he may have helped. So it might have happened that maybe the poet might have baked, or else mother would have baked and he might have helped his mother. Now let's see the next one. The poet uses the word accidentally twice. Do you think everything happened accidentally? I have already given you the meaning of accidentally, which means by mistake, something which happens by mistake, okay? So the answer would be nothing happened accidentally. The poet must have planned to eat all once he had tasted the first one and found it to be delicious. Okay, now let's see the next question. I guess it's best since Santa sort of needs to watch his weight. Do you agree with the poet? Why and why not? So we have to answer for two questions, why and why not. For why, if you agree, as Santa is shown to be round and overweight. If why not means, if I am not agreeing with that, so I do not agree because the treat was for Santa and the poet should not have eaten the cookies, right? So I hope you understood these questions as well and their answers also. Now let's see values and life skills. So here what they have mentioned, many of us needs to watch our weight, just like Santa does. So we have to discuss any two ways in which you can remain fit and healthy. So children, you can pause the video and you can write down the answer in your notebook. We will discuss after that. So I hope you have written down the answer, but let's see, okay, what is that? It's a general answer. So what we need to mention, we have to mention two ways of being fit and healthy. How we can stay fit and healthy? The first thing is by eating healthy diet, right? Healthy diet, which are the healthy diet? Like fruits, vegetables, cereals, right? Fish and chicken if we eat, it's good for our health, as well as we need to go outside and play regularly, or else we need to do exercise, or we can go for walking. So likewise, we can keep ourselves fit and healthy. Okay, now that's all for today's class. We'll meet up in the next class. So till then, take care. Bye.